Hey you guys, today we're going to the gun range. It's in the town that I'm in. I don't know, I'm still like on the verge of not telling you guys where I am, so I don't know, I might tell you guys. But yeah, my face is so red and so hot. I really gotta go pee, but all right, let's get in here.
I'm on. You want me home. I get you what you want. But you want me alone.
I'm in London, I like to go and shop at the mall. Shop at the Prada, shop at the store. Shop in the drop and stop in Dior. Louis Vuitton, cover my toes. Throw on my trousers, look at my bricks. These are my tennis, look at my shoes. Look at my shoes. Chrome hot socks and sandals. Man's outside in Crocs and shambles.
Y'all, please do not come for me. This is my first time actually using this weapon. Look at me dropping stuff. Yeah, so heads up, I'm gonna look like a hot mess because I really did not know what I was doing like that. I just knew the basics on how to shoot the thing, but even so, like, this was a different gun from last time, and yeah, as you see, I'm struggling to put the freaking bullets in the look at me, horrible. But yeah, just bear with me.
Singing with Smiley, speaking me highly, tryna go Kylie. I wake up finally, suffer in silence, waking up violent, checking the finest, choosing the finest. That's the environment. I'm at the timing, I'm at the timings. AP, ooh, I'm checking my timing. Cleaning my watch, cleaning the top. Cleaning my drop, I got a drop. Kicking, drop my Nike. Very good check, they like me. Man tell me he like me, he wanna fuck me, very likely. Yes. Can't even honor it, man. I think that's true. Yeah. I'm in London, I like to go and shop at the mall. Shop at the Prada, shop at the store. Shop in the drop and stop in Dior. Louis Vuitton, cover my toes. Throw on my trousers, look at my bricks. These are my tennis, look at my shoes. Look at my shoes. Chrome hot socks and sandals. Man's outside in Crocs and shambles. Please quick talk, no rambles. Soon as they send their bread, I cancel. Ooh, I like to tangle, twisting and tangle, testing the angles. Up in the bank though, I got the same goals. You with the same hoes, I like the bankroll.
Plane just landed, Heathrow, hop off the G4 standard. We see a arc, it's G-code, we blow his top, now he's volcanic. Please don't panic, over my lingo, both of my feet so planted. Go ahead and ring on my finger, but yet I'm still killing them single-handed. Drum on a gun like I'm Ringo, I'm in this bitch with no chain like I'm Django. We from the ends where they know that they can't go. She go both ways, so I'm tasting a rainbow. Yummy, they got no more bread, they're crummy. The same way that Mello was staring at Bree is the way that I stare at the money. I'm ready to risk it, all if I live it, bet I won't miss it. You a statistic, thought shit was sweet till we popped up and popped off the top of your mystic. I go ballistic, hopped out the drop on the up, now I'm opportunistic. I like to shop in the district, comping this, comping that, I'm proper capitalistic. Dreamer, running the game in my signature trainers. Balenciaga for joggers, I might just wear Crocs at the O2 Arena. Splendid, got no limits. Should have a tank on my pendant. Blokes going broke trying to keep up with cold, but I make it back soon as I spend it. Maybach tinted, excuse me sir, but ain't that rented? I'm offended, straight cash for my business. We don't pay back interest, aim at fences when I swing. Pay respects and kiss my ring. Even Elizabeth said I'm king. Well, he's lucky, well right, isn't he? Why would I choose between this one or that one when I know that I can have both? I laugh at these rappers for capping, I guess TIP ain't the only one out here with jokes. Mans don't want smoke. I just don't understand. I don't even think they should be allowed to breathe the same air as him, if you ask me.
I'm in London, I like to go and shop at the mall. Shop at the Prada, shop at the...
So y'all, I had fun doing it, honestly. I got powder residue on my forehead. But yeah, what stream am I on? Okay. Yeah, no, that was definitely dope. It was tough at first, like getting the bullets into the clip itself, but after that, it was like whatever. I was trying to like do it gently at first, and on top of it, my hands were cold from just going in there. But after I got that situated and I warmed up, because they have a heater in there, like it was a little bit easier. Honestly, it was the first time using that gun, so I didn't know how to use it, honestly. Now I do. Freaking, that was crazy. I'm still a little shooken up, not gonna lie, because when you first walk in, other people are shooting guns. Keynote, if you go into a gun range, just put your earmuffs on first. Do yourself a favor, because the sound is just so freaking loud. Like, it's like, oh my gosh, I jumped every time somebody shot something off. I was like, all right, let me put these earmuffs on, because it's just so loud on your ears. It's crazy, but it was cool. I enjoyed it. I got a membership there, so it's free on Wednesdays for ladies. Most places have that membership. I know in my hometown they had that same kind of like deal going on. I don't know if their membership was the same, but I know it was like they had like a free ladies day or something like that, so that was really cool. I know if I bring my like lady friends or whatever, like it's $12 a member, which was really cool. Yeah, but definitely lit. But yeah, I've only been to a range one time prior to this, and I shot a different gun. I don't know what gun I shot, but yeah, it's a cool experience. I recommend it. Ladies, for your own protection, I just recommend you guys going and getting practice, and you know, it's not something that's like violent, or you know, it's something that I recommend you do as a woman, just for your own safety. Where I live currently, it's an open carry state, but even so, I really don't feel threatened out here because everybody's so nice, and I don't carry a gun with me. But I'm just recommending it if you live in like a state that allows you to carry, open carry, and you know, it can be a little dangerous in your neighborhood or something like that. Yes, get you some protection, sis. Like,